Okay, let's tackle this mess.
Yeah, I'll grab the trash.
Kids, time to put the toys away now.
Okay, let's get all this trash first.
All right, guys, let's get these blocks in the bin now. Okay, here's this stack. Be careful, it's a little heavy.
I got it, don't worry. Just put them in the bin for now. Found the remote under this pillow. Just finishing up in here.
Watch your feet!
Where does this one go? Okay, let's get these last toys put away so Dad can vacuum. Where do these books go? Just put them in the toy bin for now. Gotta make sure I get everything out from under here. Now. Okay, I'm almost done with the kitchen. Are these towels ready to go? Yeah, take them down. Did you get the living room? Pass me those wrappers, please. Okay, here. Can you move those pillows so I can get under there? Can you get those last toys by the wall?
Yeah, I got them right here.
Let's get these last toys put away, guys. I'm almost finished with the dishes here. Okay, almost done in here. Did you check under the rug?
Try to get them actually in the bin this time.
Hey, that one missed.
Make sure you get under there.
Okay, I got it.
I think we finally got everything. It looks so much better now. All right, let's clear this mess. I'm taking the trash.
Put those blocks in the bin, please. Are these toys ready for the bin?
Yeah, I got them. Pass me that wipe, please. Put those toys in the bin, please. Just finishing up this rug here. Almost done in here. Okay, bringing this in. It looks so much better.
All right, that's everything. Looks much better. All right, we're done. See you next time.
Hey, bye.